for the consolation heat later on. If we have any cars that would like to be in the consolation heat, they can begin to line up on the track area. If you were in heat 1 or 2 and you want to be in the consolation heat, line up on the track at this time. And here they go. We got 2 cars already stopped right there in the middle of Demolition Derby. I guess it's 1, 44. CJ down on the Skowhegan. He might be done. We got some smoke coming out of the back end of the 320 car, Joey Gower of Norwalk. And Eric Everett, I'm waiting for him to put the pedal to the metal and knock some cars around. That's his usual MO here at the Demolition Derby. And here he goes, coming out of the side. He's got a train behind him. Oh, he's going after everybody right now. Eric Everett in the 01. Always puts on a show in the Demolition Derby arena. Oh, what a hit on the 007. Just a tap on the rear end to let him know that it was there. We got a car stuck in the middle. We got a car on the wall. The 58 backing up. Sheldon Woodard of Harmony. Oh, what a hit, folks. Right into the wall. And they're on the right side of the Demolition Derby. Oh, another big hit into the back end.
Oh! Come over here.
That 58 didn't even buckle a bit. The 611 took the front of it, and he's going to get hit again and put up against the wall. That's what happens when you wake up the sleeping giant, folks. He's coming after you. The 007 being put into the wall. 58 is really knocking around some cars out there. Sheldon Woodard of Harmony. Oh, what a hit. It's knocked around. And there goes the tire. Now 58 off the back tire, went flat. Everett going after the front end of that little car. The 58 going after the 611. Nose to nose in the back of the Demolition Derby arena with Eric Everett. Everett coming out of the back end of the Demolition Derby and just misses the 611. Chris Wilson. He doesn't want to make Eric mad, that's for sure. Eric coming back out. Oh! 58 goes after him. These little cars don't stand a chance with the 58 and 01. Dylan Bailey of Clinton in that 80 car. Coming around the corner and checks up right before the wall. Going after the 116 with a little help from the 58. And Everett's coming around the corner. Here he comes. Oh, what a hit on the front end of the 80. Oh, the 611 misses. Everybody missed Everett. And a pile up on the back end of the Demolition Derby arena. And Everett backing up along with the 58. Sheldon Woodard. It's the big cars against the little cars.
Run, Chris, run!
Whoa! A little bit of burnout there by the 58. Still got plenty of engine left in that car. We We have 4 cars still left in this 4th heat of the Demolition Derby. 2 of them will go on to tonight's feature event, and the rest will have to join tonight's consolation to try to make it in. Drivers of heat 1 and 2, if you want to start bringing your cars onto the track at this time, you can for the consolation heat. And here comes the 80 going after the 01. Sheldon backing up. Oh, what a hit! Gonna put it right into the wall. Oh! Front end hit by Everett and Bailey. Actually, sorry, that was Sheldon Woodard. Backing up, Woodard giving a little help. Looks like we still have 3 cars left in this 4th heat. The 01, Eric Everett of Norwalk, the 58, Sheldon Woodard of Harmony, and the 80, Dylan Bailey of Clinton. Still left in this 4th heat of the Demolition Derby. And they're going to try to move the 01 out of the way. And the 01's going to try to push the 80 into the wall. 58's got good position. Got good position on the 80 and can't get his car around. But here comes Everett. Pushing that 80 into the wall with a little help from the 58. It's the 01 and 58 pushing the 80 into the wall. 80 has nowhere to go. Oh, and here he goes into the front end. Woodard with a big hit on the Dylan Bailey's front end of that 80 car. And here comes Everett getting into position. These guys are going to finish off that 80. Now Woodard checked up before he hit hard, and they're going to call it, folks.